Hi, welcome to the Regal Rexnord booth at the Turbomachinery and Pump Symposium in Houston, Texas. Although our name may be new, our flagship products of Kop-Flex, Thomas, Euroflex, Powerlign, and Addicts have amassed millions of hours of reliable operation over the past century in API 671 and 610 applications. Our combined portfolio of products, services, global resources, and technical support is unmatched in the industry. Let's walk through the booth so we can learn more.
Thomas and KD flexible disc couplings have a proven track record of operational excellence in pumps and compressors market across multiple industries. The combined history of Regal Rexnord disc couplings provides over 100 years of operational, application, and engineering expertise.
Regal Rexnord has a strong history of designing and engineering industrial drive components. And now, through Perceptiv Intelligence, those individual drive components can be connected into a digital powertrain that can provide customers with operational, performance, and equipment reliability information. That just means using technology to work smarter. For example, a maintenance department could use equipment reliability information to move from a reactive style to a more predictive or proactive maintenance style.
Regal Rexnord offers recertification services for Kop-Flex and Rexnord high-performance couplings worldwide. Our couplings are engineered per the strict standards of API 671 and designed to last the life of the connected equipment. However, equipment often operates beyond design, reducing the effective service life of the couplings. Recertification resets that accumulated damage due to these severe conditions. We stand behind our recertification with a same-as-new warranty, to give you the peace of mind you need to know that the couplings are going to last for many years to come. Like new for less.
We are excited to showcase our expanded product portfolio of Kop-Flex and Euroflex high-performance couplings. With this expanded portfolio, we are able to offer the best combination of performance and value for your critical turbomachinery equipment. Advanced analysis techniques and field-proven design processes enable us to deliver the optimal weight and torque density for your applications. This allows us to deliver the most optimal disc and diaphragm offerings in the industry.